shit? What the
Don't worry
hell?
about it.
It's called microaggression.
Dude, where are they
They-
coming in from?
Here.
Fucking... Don't worry, we're gonna build a little thing a little further away from... We're just too close to the dark forest. These things fucking spawn and run over here.
Yeah.
Oops. Oh damn! Don't go claim your bed before you die.
True.
Same thing too.
Yes,
The
1.7.
door will close.
I think I didn't update the overlay. No, I did not.
Dude, it's still like weirdly laggy for me too. Like, what? Like, that doesn't make any sense.
You know, I think it's not my internet that's bad. I think it's both our internets that are bad. I think your
But,
issues
like,
are
I'm,
in
like,
Canada.
like, the thing, like, that don't make no fucking sense because if I'm server, well, I don't know.
If I'm server.
Like, yeah, it's just like.
Also, why isn't the service just hosted on like Steam? Because I mean, they have free servers for the game developers.
What are you talking about?
Nah, nothing. Well. You know, I might just begin making a house over here somewhere.
Yeah, a little
Or
bit
it's
over
a big-
there, but let's sleep first.
Okay, true. I'm coming. I'm flipping. Lucas, are we live or?
We're live. Hello, pig. Oh no.
Okay, I'll ping.
It went my const my str vector. Oh no.
Oh boy.
You know, you just know that one day Andrew is gonna add it to the SIG standard library.
True.
Just gonna add it to the language. He's gonna be like, you know, why not? After all, why shouldn't you have this possibility?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Well, he did the pointer cast, so I don't know, man. Maybe he will do it like that.
But like pointer cast is only really used like with C interop. Other ways there are better ways to do like casting with arrays and pointers. Oh, disconnected. Damn on.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell's going on here. Yeah.
Can you invite me?
Cannot relate.
Like
Everything has to be
I'm
100%.
disconnecting like but like it's so weird.
Yo, what's up? Mr.
Yeah.
Chef? Mr.
Alright,
T
I'm
Chef? Mr. T?
It'll be in recents. Go to join recents.
Join what?
And you should be
I'm not sure this is gonna work even at all. But we will yeah, I have to figure out a lot of stuff. That's why.
Right.
Vulkan.
Vulkan.
VK.
VK on the wall there. When will I have the triangle on my window here?
That's a pretty
Oh,
good
wait,
one.
still no triangle?
No, they're using a object-oriented design to do the builders for stuff, and I'm just trying to get that away to just having a separate config struct instead. And that's where I'm just super confused.
Yeah, and then Lucas cooked up the worst imaginable garbage ever, and then I came and cleaned it up.
Oh yeah. And then he thought it was the AI, but it was actually fucking Lucas.
Yeah, I thought it was so bad. I thought it was the AI.
Hey, yo.
It's true though.
Guys, can you watch my stream real quick? I have a question.
I can't, but you can still ask the question.
Yeah, you know how it, but you can imagine it. Because you know how I did like the solar system stuff?
Uh-huh.
Do you have some ideas to add to it? Because I know it's pretty lame at the moment.
Galaxies.
Ah, damn. Nah, hell no.
Man, it needs to be OOP. So you gotta make a galaxy, and then you
A
have solar
skybox.
systems that
I
you
think.
can.
Go find a
Oh,
skybox.
skybox.
Here, Harold.
Oh, Skywars is good
Yeah,
Thanks. What
yeah,
are those?
skybox.
Okay,
What did you
wait,
give
New
me?
tunic.
Oh damn. Okay,
Get
man.
rid of your old threads now.
Yeah, I almost look like some like 70s dude.
Well, you get more. You get more sneak bonus the more pieces you wear, or maybe you need all 4. If you hover over the armor, I'll say set effect 4 parts sneaky makes you more sneaky.
Damn.
I think blueberries.
And this is just the pipeline layout, so... Wait, does it need VK layout? Pipeline layout? Yeah.
No.
These are not the same
Chop
things.
trees.
Yeah. Then should I build the house? I just want to.
Yeah. Go for it. Yeah, go for it.
Should is this a
Just
good place for the house?
Tell me where you want to put, and then I'll
We need a
start
separate
flattening out the land while
descriptor.
you get some.
Well, I'm thinking like probably.
A little bit. Let's go a little bit further away, just a tiny bit
Further.
more.
Yeah.
Well, you need a different descriptor, otherwise this
Even
one makes
like
sense. Do you?
right here, like
Yeah, I
anywhere
mean on
around
this
here is
wait,
probably
this
good.
little thing here, this stuff that like sticking out here. Here is pretty good, I'd say. Or
No, don't worry about it, because we can flatten the land.
yeah, sure. I'll take care of this dude.
Just remember, this spot won't be permanent. We gotta go to the plains. That's where we want to live.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll just take this back. It's fine. And then we'll go down here. We'll go in the default pipeline. We'll do all of these things as we have done before.
We should kind of build it like a bit on the water too, so it's like on the like hover over the water, because we'll need like a boat, because we'll have a dock.
Yeah, we can make like a little thing there. Yeah.
We'll do all of the things as we have done before.
So like start the base like right on the side of the water, so we can
What is
build
this
out.
draw geometry?
Yep. I'll do that.
Okay.
Yeah. Workbench, right.
I guess this
I'll
is
just place
fine.
it here for now.
Wing it. Just start going.
Alright, see ya, pig.
Let's see.
Bye, pig.
Bye, pig.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call it also draw geometry, I guess it's fine. And then we'll just take all of these things as well from here. Just need to translate this from C++ to SIG. But besides that, it's alright. Let's see. We'll also take in the command buffer. We will probably not. We won't need a try here. None of these things requires a try. So we can just go command, which will be a vk.c Vulkan command buffer, and that should already be a pointer by default. Yep. Begin the render pass. Connect to our draw image. Rendering attachment info. We have to look at the bar over attachment. Probably have to pass in a little bit more than in that case.
Should the houses often be like not like this wide, or should it be like one wider?
No, wing it, dude. Like it doesn't matter.
Draw image unal point.
Whatever
okay.
you think looks cool. Like this won't be our house, but it'll still be here. Docking point. You never know.
Yeah.
We'll get portals eventually, but
Right.
in a render pass connect to the out-raw image. So you should take in the image in that case. Raw image view. What else did we do? Attachment info. Where is this from? Create so many unnecessary helper functions that it's crazy. Real? No, it cannot be in here somewhere. That would just be crazy. Do they have the source code also to be downloaded? Let's see. Because then I could search these things. See, they probably have something, right? This is actually something ECS game layer. This is actually something I would like to read either way. Whoa. This is actually really good.
Uh-oh, Damon.
Ah!
Okay.
Create resources. These ones are also probably good. But don't they have the source code anywhere? Ah, here, GitHub repo. Let's see. Where's the actual like markdown, 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 markdown? Where are they all marked down? Where's the actual damn code? Wait, okay, can I find the code just in here somewhere? Oh, look, there's the by chapters. So chapter 3. Ah. So then they don't like actually provide the code anywhere? Nope. Well, that's a bit of
I mean, this is pretty
sucky.
good, Damon, right?
Mhm.
I was actually hoping for the thing.
Damn, you're like building epic stilts and shit. Oh, damn.
Yeah, it needs support, so
Yeah,
Okay.
that looks cool, man.
Who has heard about the grep? Shut up. Rip grep, but you can't use that inside of GitHub, or well, I could git clone probably project, and yeah, then it would be fine.
Okay, guys, I gotta go eat now.
All right.
Yep.
See ya.
Okay.
Good luck.
with the
See ya.
project.
See ya.
Where do they declare this Like, I don't find them anywhere. It's just call them, but I have no idea. Oh wait, it's the Bootstrap library. Right.
Oh,
Can
yeah,
if
this
you
will be nice.
You can if I could if I cloned it. We're just gonna go to the actual district. Vulkan Bootstrap. This one should have the thing that I'm trying to find right now. Should have. Well, what am I trying to do? Let's see. Eh. But I need to know what the fuck they're trying to do here. Like color attachment. Are they trying to retrieve? Are they creating one weak attachment info? Like the image view.
Yeah, this will be nice.
Yeah, I was thinking also if we could make like a room to the side here for
Go for
like
it.
the
Go
oven and
for it.
shit.
Remember, I got in
Yeah, the
Indian
okay.
food.
cooking
My
stuff needs to be on
naan
ground.
my naan is soggy. What is a naan?
Oh yeah.
Naan is like a bread, like he's Indian most likely.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean the na bread?
It's called naan.
No, it's
but-
naan. Naan.
Nah, it's
no,
na.
N-A-A-N.
not
It's na. It's na bread.
There's a tool that we get that raises the ground too. We get one. We might have it already.
You know, then this
Just
can be
gonna
our
make it.
bedroom actually.
Soggy na bread. That's weird, bro. No, why I call it na is because I used to work in a supermarket.
You might be getting a little too big, Mr. Ambitious. You gotta wait until we get like better axes so we can do the farming faster.
I used to work in a supermarket and there was once a customer who asked for na-leipä, and that's basically naan bread. But I was like, what do you mean na? I was so confused. What the fuck is na bread, bruh? Craziest thing ever heard.
Oh, I gotta no. Yeah, honestly, Harold, do whatever you want because
Yeah, okay.
it's your run.
Do whatever you want.
It don't matter.
Yeah, nah. Yeah, nah. Exactly. Should I even care? What do they do with this color attachment? Do they even do anything with it? Like they just get it and then they just disband on it? No, here's something. Rendering info, and then they just put that there and then begin rendering info, then bind the pipeline, the triangle pipeline. Okay, so
Oh,
we need
damn,
to
that's
get
actually
the
really good.
pipeline. And
That
then
was good.
the viewport,
You chips that I bought.
the scissors, and then it's just literally this. So we do need that. But I'm not really sure that what do we actually? It just has a image view, image layout. Not really sure if we need to be. Let me take a quick look.
Everything gets water damaged unless you put those roofs on top of them. You see, like this tile right here is like a weird green.
Yeah. Is
Means
that
it's
water
being
damage?
damaged because, yeah.
But it can't be anything
So, like,
too complicated. Right?
These stop. These ones stop it with the hay on top.
Yeah.
Because if it takes in just the image view, Is it, no, it's just nah. It literally just needs the image that is about to be drawn. So I would probably take just our VK image.
Do you have some wood, Damon?
No, and I'm gonna go. I have to go inside real quick and get some more.
Yeah,
stuff. Right back.
Yeah, no problem.
Rendering attachment info. Struct. Type. Info. And hello, Beban. And then what else do we care? Image view. I think that's probably something that we care about. Image view is equal to, and then here we get, I'm just gonna call it draw image. And we're gonna get it. Should I probably take it as a reference? We'll see. That image view. And what actually else do we have? What else do we have? The format, we have the extent, we have the view. Format, what else could we pass in here? Like, what could we do? We don't have the layout, and I don't think we can get the layout any other way. Whale? Ha ha ha. Well, I will just let those be. It will complain if when we try to render that something was not set, and it will cry and we'll fix it. Then we do the render info. Best way to learn. Just fuck it up and learn. And what am I trying to do now? I'm trying to get... this is another one of these. Let's see, color attachment and then the draw extent. Well, this is just... Same with the structure first, as type is vk.c, vk render, no, vk structure type render. Is it rendering? Can I call it render? Structure type. Sure. Sure. Type. Rendering info, yeah. And then we can have access here to color attachment. We'll pass the address of color attachment. Kind of weird. And what else? We have extent, which I don't see here. I don't understand why we would be passing the extent then into it. Yeah, we'll fuck it up and then we'll see. Not that I think there's something with that before this that's gonna break, so it's alright. And then we'll do this one, VK.C, fine point graphics, yes, VK.C. And now we also need the pipeline. Yeah, I think that we could also just pass in there.
Okay. What are you gonna pass in there?
The pipeline. I think that makes sense though. VK pipeline.
Intern.
No, shut up. Pipeline. Not that. And probably should be also a pointer, but we'll see. So we'll take in the pipeline and we'll ask for the, oh shit, a get, and then the handle, like so. So bind it, and then we do a var viewport vk.c, no, vl, vk.c viewport. We're gonna take these ones, move them into here.
All right, back to gaming.
Yep.
That shouldn't be.
I got some Halloween chocolate.
That's cursed. That's not how it should be. Wait, what the fuck? Okay, something is off here. Ah, that's why it's off. And what will we do here? Oh, sit daisy. pk.c viewport. Yes, and then same for the scissors. Gonna be a bit of a okay. Extent. Let's do the offset first, and then we can
Thank you.
this here. And then same for this one. Right. So, and yeah, that makes sense. You have no idea what the fuck that is. That makes total sense. You should not know what that is. We're gonna go to image. Not that image. Bro, took the wrong image. .x should have a image extent, that thing. So yeah, you should know what that is. And launch the draw command to draw 3 vertices. That's kind of, yeah, no, that makes sense. Why would end rendering? Okay. Like so. Okay, this is not gonna work 100% sure about it, but we'll see.
Make it work.
And that's the point. Let's see.
Like, you're a programmer after all, man. Like, nothing's impossible.
I am a program, yes.
You are a program?
Yes,
Well,
yeah.
that program has not done successfully.
Bruh.
Return
Programs.
-1, bro.
So we go from layout general to transfer source optimal. Begin command buffer.
It sounds optimal.
Undefined to layout general. Wait, what the fuck? Did I miss one? Because I think they still use the old pipelines in their example. Not. It looks like they are. Maybe if I just don't do all of those and I just do the draw, and then I can add back the. So we wouldn't do any of these things. These could actually all go. I'm never gonna use those again. And then image barrier here. So we can take all of this, take it away, and that's fine. We'll do a time like so. And then here we go from layout undefined to layout general, and it's for the draw image. Yes, undefined to general, then they draw the background. We won't do that, we will just fuck the background. Okay, but then we maybe we don't need to go from. Well, I want to add it back later on, so I guess we'll just do an unnecessary transition here for the moment being. So we'll go from general to VK image layout attachment, I think it was. Color attachment. And then we'll go to draw the geometry. And we will pass in the command buffer. We'll pass in the image, which is self.drawImage, not time, or the function itself. And then we'll pass in the pipeline as well, which in this case will be self. But wait, now we can actually just. Nah, I'm just gonna be very explicit about it here. Pipelines, and we're gonna pass in number 2, which is the graphics pipeline. And after we have done that, transition the draw image and the swap chain image into the correct transfer layouts. Alright, yeah, now it makes sense. Bro, could I not? So
Wait, Damon, our thing is like right next to this like abandoned
transfer
farm.
optimal, and then
Yeah, that's where we slept for that one time.
Yeah, exactly.
oh yeah, now I see. Because we want to take this one
Oh,
over
damn,
to
bro's
transfer
cooking.
image layout, transfer destination. I don't remember which one it was.
Damn, Damon, you're cooking.
Source, fuck.
But
Because
What
we
the
want to
hell?
transfer this now over to the swap chain percent one. And that one shouldn't be in anything right now, because yeah, it's undefined, we haven't really done anything with it. And this one is just percent mode.
Bro.
Yes. No.
Damon is cooking so hard right now.
What? Oh, then it's percent. So, oh, because this one will be the source and that one will be the destination. You're right. Yes, the destination, and then we will have. Here we will have to change the swap chain swap chain. I'm having a bit of a wait. What? Yes, and then we want the images, and then we want the current. I think I had a current swap chain. Let's see. Or yeah, actually I already take it image index somewhere there in the beginning. I do it. So just do image index. Oh, and it's not done yet because I still need to blip it, copy image over. So that's basically what we have done here. I just redone it. But now we'll copy it over, and then we'll do it to percent mode. From destination, this should be, yeah, and that should be it. And then it should, yeah, then I should end the command, and it probably won't run, but we'll see how far it runs. And based from there, I can actually start to figure out what the fuck those Vulkan init stuff, bootstraps shit are supposed to do. And I probably will have some failures creating the graphics pipeline even before then, but that's fine. Let's see. Expected. Okay, so these are just something I should be able to see if I go into pipeline. Pipeline, there it is. Here, yes, expected. This is just a pointer cast. PTR cast. Like so. And look at that, we have some other issues over here. Value with comp time only type. Comp time int depends on runtime control flow. Stage count. If what the fuck? So if there is not a geometry shader, or if there is one, you add one, else you just keep it 2. It's gonna change this a little bit too. Can one do this? No, I cannot do that. Why is this not? Well, we can also just change it to be an if.
I disconnected.
Really?
Yeah, it happened before, but I can just rejoin. It's no problem.
But it's not like laggy though, is it?
Nah, it's not too bad. Not too bad. Like it's basically the same when I was host. It's
Missing structs.
Okay, that's all that
Very
really
minor.
matters. Because
yeah.
I was like, it was unplayable for me. Where
Okay, we have to change your for loop thingy here.
My for loop thingy.
Yeah.
Yeah, good luck changing that. That's all I'm saying. Well, this is a great time for you to learn Sig, am I right?
Well, I already had to change your if turner. I don't know if it was a ternary operator or what it was, but it couldn't be the way it was.
Yeah, okay, well that's great.
It
You
mixed
know,
up.
I didn't even, like, I never built this.
No,
so...
I was just wondering because it complained about comp time and runtime values. Like, it didn't like it. And I don't understand, why would it be a problem? Because why would it consider that a comp time thing?
Well, I don't know, but you can just do as and then specify the type and then it should be fine.
you like our long haul
What?
edition here?
Yeah, bro, this long haul is great.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we gotta
Okay,
get
but
that
let's see what
fire
you-
inside, but we gotta make sure the smoke doesn't kill us. That's why I did the thing with the roof.
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Really, Harold? Building houses? A man of your talents?
Yeah.
Yo, go on YouTube right now and search Valheim, man of your talents.
Well, if I'm gonna, I won't be able to do that because it's gonna be too laggy.
He's really out here fucking, like, you know, managing his threads.
Yeah, man. I am.
No, man. For that
Don't feel
CPU
named.
core.
Okay, yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Damn, this is kind of a humble abode.
Wait, what? What
Yeah,
kind
it
of
is.
config? Base pipeline. No. Eesh. The fuck? Is there actually a field called layout here even? I don't think so. Oh, there is a field called layout. Structure. Wait, where is it located? Layout. Init, graphics pipeline. Ah, there. That should come in. It should be in the config. expected to struct. No, it's still. What?
Oh, we can make the fucking cart now too. That's right.
Okay, we're
I'll make us one of
The
those.
cart?
create
Yeah.
the layout.
Just trying to get us a little bit of a yard here.
Yeah, I'll come and help you.
Done.
I'm gonna try to smooth this off a bit so we don't have to go around all the time.
I can place rocks now. Oh, that's kind of funny. You never used to be able to do that.
That's crazy.
Expect the Vulkan pipeline by found Vulkan image. I probably put them in the wrong order in there. Yep, I did that. Don't need it to be like that. Expected F2 found U32. Okay, that's just an incast. Probably in both places, yeah. Expected integer vector found. Hold on. Why would it take in a? That sucks. Let's see, float from int. I hope it understands. It seems to do that. Good. What the fuck has happened? Oh my god. And well, that's. Oh no, that's fine. I don't know. Okay, I didn't really thought it was I32, not U32. Okay, let's see. So file not found. Did Pro not
Oh, that's
find the
plenty, Harold.
shaders? Try open file.
You know,
Here, triangle.
got to be nice.
I forgot a dot in a name. Alright, let's see. File not found. What the fuck is wrong now? SP. No, they should be there. Let's see. Shaders. Color triangle frag SPV. Is there a space? No. No, they definitely exist there. I don't know why it's saying that they're. Well, where did I go? File not found. Sig out shaders, color triangle vertex. Let's see. Cat. No such file or directory. Wait. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Panning for loop over objects with non-equal length. Stage info.
Are you trying to like mem set or something? You can use the slices. Like when you for loop, it probably has to have the same length or some shit.
Yeah, let's see. Vulkan pipeline 157. So in here, it's something. For loop of over object with non-equal length. Ah. Yeah, because this one is 3. Okay.
Like the thing that for loop does, you can also just do it manually. Like it's not too bad.
Yeah, no, it's not too bad. I could probably do that.
Yeah. But if you're going to do it manually, please do not make any variables in the outer scope. Just use like label blocks.
I was thinking of doing a helper function.
A helper function
Mm-hmm.
for like 20 lines of code.
Yeah, so it won't be 60.
Nah, man. I don't know about that one.
But I don't understand, why would the length be different? You go from 0 to 2, and then, well, I guess this one will always be 3, and that won't match.
Stop, Harold. We don't need. We can use the cliff because the mobs pathing.
Oh, they don't like cliffs?
And
oh,
then,
okay.
Yeah, and then we don't gotta make the big fence not as big. We just need
Oh, I didn't know
to place a
that
couple
about
of
pathfinding.
these.
Yeah, okay. But now we have a nice area at least. That's nice and big. Should I build a stake wall around our perimeter?
I was planning on it.
Yeah, but should I do
Why am I
that?
so fucking hit?
Like right now?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. I'll build it like right on the edge, I guess, then.
I'm
Is
just
there like
moving
a
all
way
this
of
shit
doing
over
f-
here.
Yeah, that's good. One thing, should I like add crafting tables or workbenches around so we can have a bigger perimeter? Well, it's fine. It's a good size.
And this one is structure, shader, module. It doesn't really say which one is what, but we will just take then the vertex first. And we'll take the config. And then so, and then this one will be the fragment, and it will be the config fragment shader. So, and it is it like this then? I think that should be alright, but it's not. Yeah, I'm gonna GPT this real quick. Wait, it doesn't save. And this one is loading until tomorrow. Funny. Let's see, rain. To an array, not an actual slice, is using literal syntax. Syntax works for fixed. To fix. But I cannot tell how many I'm gonna have. Well, I guess I could do that. But I cannot. No. It's not. It's stripping so fucking hard. I cannot change the. The declaration of the.
All right, I got today's load.
Today's load. What?
Hey yo!
I got today's load. Here, Harold. Come check
Right,
out
sorry,
the
I had to shoot a
spoils.
deer. The spoils? Oh, yeah, now I like the sound of this.
Where are
I'm
you?
coming.
I'm over here. Where are you going?
I was just getting some deer. Yeah. Okay. Yo, what?
Check
You
out
got
the
a
spoils. Check
wheelbarrow?
out the spoils I got. Yeah.
What the
Guess that's
heck?
possible to
Spoils.
do.
Oh, damn.
That's how
Those
you
are some
carry.
spoils.
That's how you carry like. Yeah, that's how you carry like lots of heavy things.
Damn, that's nice.
All right, let's make some beds.
Yeah, you know, in our bedroom that we now have.
Why would it expect field? Expected field initializers. What the? Now it's tripping again.
Yeah.
Still? Ah, that's crazy. I'm just gonna have to do this.
Okay.
We need a fire nearby.
Because why would it expect?
Yeah, fuck you.
That's
I'm
so weird.
I'm not dealing with it right now. I'm just putting this shit out here.
Right, a minute. I guess it's in furniture, right? Yeah. Furniture.
Probably
Okay,
put it on
right.
the other side of the room, to be honest. You'd probably
Yeah,
be
that's
good.
That's gonna
that's
work.
my thought too. Let's see here. Okay. Yeah, I can set it on the other side of the bedroom.
Damn, can you hear the coal thing cooking?
Yeah, I
Damn.
hear that. Does night like
Finished
make the
now.
actual game go
Didn't
faster?
see that.
Yeah. So it's like normally we would want to fill all the furnaces and stuff like max, and then pass out, and then all of them will be done.
Yeah. Damn it, I'll move your bed into here.
Damn, there goes my spawn point.
Right. How do I not have enough wood? Oh my god. Okay, you don't have a
I
spawn
broke
point,
it.
I guess.
Yes.
Yeah, but you can
Just the
place it in
worst
the other
happens.
side.
A tsunami comes through and kills me.
Yeah.
Trade info
Yeah, you gotta
report
walk all the way.
state. Trade info view for must be damn. Yeah. I think it is that, but then over here I override it with a new one. That's the issue. But I can just do
Intern.
No. Shut up.
Damon. Damon, your bed. It's here now. It's delivered from IKEA.
This I should be able to do.
Bam.
Thanks. Straight from Sweden itself.
Yeah.
The true IKEA.
Yeah, of course.
Should be able to do that. I don't know why it's not allowing me to do that. Wait. Oh yeah, because it's the structure inside of the thing. But then I should be able to do a... I don't want to change the whole thing out because then we fuck. Then it's that's when it fucks up. I still want to use. I should be able to access the structure in itself. Oh yeah, I'm kind of stupid. We'll have to do this, and then we cannot do this in here because this we can do here. But these ones we cannot do in here. These ones has to happen after we have gotten the graphics pipe or graphics config. Now we can access these things. Yes. Ah, oops, did I take a little bit too much? This one can still be in here and should be there. So, but then we can go viewport, state, scissor count, 1. Now we'll have to do one of these. And then we'll take this. Get rid of that. Should already be there. That. There. That. Hey. There. Alright. Oh, this should go a bit further. Yes. Let's see, create dynamics, it must be VK structure pipeline dynamic. Okay, that one apparently did not have the thing I thought it did. We'll fix it. Let's see, I think we already, sure. And then render path is null, but the dynamic render feature was not enabled. Wasn't this one supposed to use dynamic rendering? We're not pretty sure it uses that. It also takes a VK render path and subpath index. We will not be using that because we are using dynamic render, so all systems related to VK render path will be completely skipped. Instead, we will need to extend the VK graphics crate info with a VK rendering crate info added into the next chain. This structure holds the list of the attachments format the pipeline will use. Okay, that's what we need to do. Just gonna check real quick. To draw a triangle, we need to begin a render path with VK render. This is the same we are doing Prime GUI chapter. This time we are doing with into our drawing, blah blah. Okay, anything else? Nope. Then we have to figure out these things. And here, I don't think I used this anywhere, do I? Yeah. Good, 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 good. My tea is getting cold. I'm gonna get some more tea real quick. BRB. Alright, I'm back.
Okay.
Well, thank you. Somebody who pays respect. Like, what the fuck, Damon? Kind of fucked
What
up. I'm
respect?
just...
No. I didn't say it to you. I said it to myself.
Well, that's self-respect, and that's also pretty cool. I'm just saying that, Damon, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Oh, my bad, my bad.
Exactly. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, but these are different pipelines, that's why I'm seeing it double with a bug. Okay. And then here EFP next. Yes. Okay. Well, it makes sense. So we also want to keep this in our thing then. Because we use dynamic rendering, so if you don't use this, then you're just a weirdo. And yeah. The render path should not even be... Just gonna go take a look with it. Shouldn't be referred anywhere. Render pass. This one should always be null by default, so I don't think we need to assign it. We're just gonna remove that. And then we're not even gonna ask for a person to provide it. Because you shouldn't even be using it in any way. Or, well, we could implement so you could. That's just stupid. Because that's not the point. Maybe later. Nah, never. Should I give it some default values? Maybe I should. Don't tell me it's a pointer. I can't even know. What? Okay, it's not a pointer. Good, 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 good. Goody, 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 goody. Then we can continue with, first of all, just giving it the crates, the S-type. So we can know that that is what we're dealing with. Is there something else we should just take as given? When you create the graphics pipeline, I think they should, yeah, this will happen in the init of the pipeline. P next.
Damn, Damon really set up an entire like industry here.
No fucking way he is. No shot.
Damn. I mean,
P
we're
next.
making a shit ton of coal. We're making ingots.
Yo.
Damn.
That's cool. Wait, what? Do I even have to reference self? What should be? Shouldn't I? Oh, it's from config. I'm stupid. Alright. And what else do we care about? There are some set color attachments.
Yeah, there's nails in this box here. You should put in your inventory and put back real quick,
In a depth
just so you can see all the
format.
fancy unlocks. It's the third from the farthest.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got like a bunch of bronze stuff. Let's see here. Oh, there's so much shit on my screen, bro.
And then now when you look in the forge and everything, we have the boat. We can start traveling, but we gotta go get more ingots and stuff.
Hmm. Yeah.
And then food's gonna be above the fire here. I don't know if you.
Yeah, I saw that, yeah.
Raw image format. Now we have raw image format. And then depth format.
Chunk over here, I guess.
Hmm. I think I'll cook some of the food we have
I
here.
think I have that. Do I have a depth? No. Undefined. Sure. But that should not be called from here. But now we can call it. Alright, let's see how that goes. Create info, create info, pipeline render, create info, color is null. P next, P color attachment format is null. That shouldn't be possible unless if it's, nope. I don't think it's null.
Tell me you want food?
I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm good now.
Can't wait till we move to the planes, man. I
Yeah,
don't know what the
start
planes
fucking
are,
crafting.
but they sound good.
It's just like yellow meadows, but it's not like nice like the meadows. There's like everything will fucking fuck you up unless you're like progressed for it. They got these things called mosquitoes, man, and they'll they literally just come out of nowhere and fucking one tap you. If you sail too close to the planes, they'll come to your boat and fucking keep one tap you, and you'll just like, it's over. Oh my god. There's been a couple times where I just like hard quit so it wouldn't save like right as it happened, and then reload.
The plains doesn't seem like a good place to live. I don't know, man.
No, it's fine. You just
But
gotta get what we need. Like if we have a
okay.
house and a bed and everything there, it's fine. And the proper food, because then we can kill the giant buffaloes.
Well, this is...
Yeah, we'll have tons of health.
That's just a seg file now. And that's
armor.
worse than errors, because now I don't even know what they should. Fuck. Ah, no.
You can run it
Intern!
in your brain and see
Oh,
what
yeah.
happens.
Yeah, that's where I usually run it.
Alright, I guess let's go,
Let's see. The only thing I could think that could be issue
venture.
is
Damn, look at, we're
from
protected.
over here.
Yeah, man. Where were we supposed to go? You said, Damon.
We're gonna go to the thing. I think can I make a shield real quick, actually? Yeah, that'd be-
Can I make a shield?
Yeah, let's make a shield. Let me cook some of this copper. Oops.
I think. Wait, let me see the shaders, vertex. Yeah, we do store the vertex in here, so they should be fine. Excellent. Right now you're filling a
Let's
couple
make a
of
shield.
structure members say the point, but the Vulkan records that you experience is 0 work. No,
Wooden
no.
shield, resin, leather, and wood.
Color attachment. Okay, well, we can take that. And we'll handle that.
I'll make us both one if I can.
Yep. I'm on my. I'm gonna.
Alright.
I'm gonna get some water.
Do you want
Wait, what?
red, blue, or I guess red or blue or red and black? Red or blue or red and black?
Red and blue, because funny. I'll get some
No,
water.
there is no red and blue. It's red or blue, or and then the third one is red and black.
Blue. I'll do blue. Okay. Well,
Okay. Well, you're dying.
You're dying.
Yeah, you're dying.
You just left. Ah, okay. You're already correct, and that's all correct. Okay. Might have been these because I kind of underestimated actually what I had to provide here. But yeah, this is expecting 2D. I use a 3D, so I will have to do a little bit of a tweaking. Height. Height. And then width. Width.
Okay. I am back. Oh, I have the shield here
Welcome.
now.
It's not a pointer?
It's good that you have red and I have blue. It's like, you know,
I'm actually thinking this is the override.
with
Poetic.
blues and reds, I guess. Yeah, exactly. It's AI against code.
Still a sick fall.
Okay. Bada boom, bada bam. How do I use my shield even?
Right click.
Oh, I used to have to. Does it have to be in my hotbar?
Yeah, you gotta equip it and your sword, and then
My sword, my hammer. Yes.
yeah.
Okay.
And then it's
see.
R to sheath, by the way, quick sheath, because you run faster without a weapon on.
Oh,
And then
Oh, so it's like CS. Well, there's probably like a shit ton of games like that, but okay.
what do we? Blueberries, I guess, because we'll just kind of scavenge and play it by ear.
okay, look at that. We already got something. File. Wait,
Yeah.
file not. Alright, because we cannot find a file because of that.
Like, I think we
I
have
should
enough
probably have
ores to
crafted
kind of
items.
get us an axe each, and that's kind of what we need. But
Yeah.
but we do need the next pickaxe too to mine iron. So
Right.
I guess let's back at it.
Yep. Back at it.
Evaluate range in enumerator format. Maybe PK graphics for great render pass. bevel rate range. Crate. Is it in the crate that it fails? I'm still kind of pissed that I don't get all of the information again. It's like still not telling me every single structure info. I don't understand. I think we have it pretty well, but it still doesn't do it. Validate pipeline rendering crate info. Yeah. Crate
And
graphics
we
pipeline.
level up over time too, so it's like you'll notice you'll do a little bit more damage and chop trees
Render
slightly
pass.
faster.
Yeah, I
Shouldn't even
noticed
try
that.
to try the render pass validate range, you know. Okay.
The fuck is that? Oh. Yeah.
Oh wait, but I don't include the when you're dynamic render instead of render. Do I have this extension?
How much copper you got?
3.
No, we had over a stack at the base.
Hmm.
Same with tin, and it's like
Oh.
8 each for an axe, so 16. So we had enough, but a little extra probably. So we need to work on the pickaxe because we could just
Yeah.
skip the bronze weapons and go straight for iron.
Iron.
But we need
Yeah,
the
I mean,
tools.
why not?
The axes we can just use as a weapon too.
Yeah, exactly. So it's fine.
All right, let's go back. I got 11.
Yeah, I accidentally disconnected. Well, I don't accidentally disconnected. I think it happens when it's trying to save. I don't know.
Maybe.
Yeah, but
Oh
I'm
shit,
going
that
back.
bear! Oh my god!
Must do the PK crate.
I should try to kill it actually. No, I get a better bow first.
Nah, we can kill it.
But that might not. Wait, what? Mm-hmm. To subpass dynamic render, you do not use subpass. Don't use that either. You can just delete it. So one should by default 0 out.
Hey man, I have a plan.
Yep.
I have a plan.
Uh oh, guys, he's got a plan.
I'm gonna kill the bear.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, bro. I have. This is so scuffed. Bear. My God, he's running away. He's scared.
It is a newer mob. It might have better AI.
Hmm. Yeah. Like I was in that castle. That's next to where the bear usually is. and like it can
you're
get
gonna
in there.
Just shoot it from up.
So. Well, it's so big to get in to the entrance, you know.
Big brain, big brain.
Yeah. By the way, our old base here, what do we do with that? Just leave it be as a memory or
It's
what?
completely empty. No, just leave it. Yeah, it's all Valheim. Everything's
Weird.
fucking.
Yeah, I mean, I say why not leave it? Looks kind of okay, I guess. You know.
At some point, a troll or something like that will hit the rock and it'll break.
Yeah.
Problem is stealing.
Okay, I'm gonna see if they can actually get in here. Okay. They can actually get into our base here. Hmm.
You can turn the wall like into our house, so it's like connects to the wall.
Yeah, let's see what I'll do, but it's so annoying when they're in the water because like you can barely swim in this game, so
This is so. Why do I not get the information still? Like, I don't understand. Like, it doesn't debug any. Even though I have like info for both errors and warnings, but I don't.
Sleep.
I don't get a single print that I'm supposed to get. That's so strange. I should be getting a lot more like validation error warnings or I just want to see the information that I'm passing because that's so easy to see if a pointer is valid.
Yeah.
But I don't even get that.
Oh, why? Thank you.
yeah, no problem. Bada boom, bada bam. A new day, a new chance to kill them. I mean, what?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
First is no, but dynamic render is not enabled. Okay. Oh no.
Yo, we can almost make bronze stuff. Well, we can't.
I have a bronze axe already. We just
Oh,
wait
damn.
because you got to hit. You bring the the copper and the tin to the forge, and you make bronze bars. And then I just oh, damn, I got birch now. Come over here and grab a piece of birch from me.
Yeah. Thank you.
Make portals now too. Oh, we can get the new boat.
Okay.
Nice.
It's not enabled. Oh, that's strange. Now it should
Damn. Portal. Okay, that's useful. So you can use portal around. Okay.
be.
Yeah.
Extensions.
I see why you don't. Why we're playing with the portal thing that you said. You know.
Yeah, because like in normal you get the portals, but you can't put precious metals through portals. And then like a lot of like I don't know, they do that on purpose so the games last a lot longer. But no. I want to be able to at least get to the last DLC at some point.
Yeah.
Yeah, normally like you'll have a pocket portal, you'll just have all the mats on you and you just adventure, and then you know like when you need to go back home you just plop it down, refresh, go back to your portal, pick it up.
Yeah. Damn, that's going so fast. Damn, I need to make an axe. Let's just see.
Yeah, just gotta let the shit cook.
Yep. Let's see. Do I need to add coal to it or?
Yeah, I'm getting wood. You can grab the wood out of the fucking thing here and start pulling it in. Putting it in the.
Oh. Wait, tin.
And put.
I mean, there are some nuggets already also. Let's see what we can do with that.
You put it in
I
the.
found coal. Yeah, I
Yeah,
found
you
coal.
put it in the machine thing there. Like the coal, you know how to do. The other one, you gotta put one of each. Like coal on the right side, and then the ore on the left side of it.
That's interesting. Okay. I see. I see.
Okay.
Yeah, copper. Okay, I got 2 copper nuggets. How many? I mean, I have 2 bronze nuggets now. I mean, or ingots. Yeah, and I need 8. Right.
Yeah,
Okay.
make an axe, and then we're gonna save up the bronze to make the boat because you need bronze nails.
I see.
I think you just need 6 bars for that.
Which is 12 more
Over
ingots of
the
copper.
seas.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Well, there is a lot of copper
Yeah,
in here, I guess.
take this. Start fucking. Oh, actually, no. Here, I'll come over.
Yeah.
Get the charcoal cooking. Damn, you just fucking launched in the air.
Yeah, man. Okay, okay.
Export layer transition. Oh no. Layer general to color attachment. Yeah, well then have done something very wrong. Wait. Because that should be the transition I want to do. Isn't it render 154? 154, 154 here. I want to go from general to, isn't that what I want to do? What? Transition undefined to general to, when I try to search for it, oh no, that is it. And then in between here should the background thing actually happen, but we're not doing it. So that means I should actually have this implemented. I don't know why I don't find it. Okay. So if, how many of these do we have? All right. Transfer. And then the general one.
Damon, should I get some more copper, maybe?
I wouldn't stress about it. I think we have enough for what we need. We do need, like, we just need one pickaxe. Like, literally, we don't need to, like,
Yeah, no, I don't need a
whole
pickaxe, I don't
bronze.
think.
Yeah. We just need
Yeah.
enough to mine the iron, and then we can go straight to them. Because iron, you don't gotta have to. It's just iron, and like getting it is a lot easier than copper and tin. But damn it. But you gotta travel for it. It's like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Oh my god, did you?
Source access.
I disconnected.
Really?
You need to access to new layout.
But it's fine. It's not hard to rejoin.
Nation access. Don't. No wait, this is the other way around. And then for these ones. changed here, but let's see.
I have arrived.
Let's see.
Yes.
Develop transition from big layout called optimal to layout transition. Leave that one now, bro. We have from general and we have okay. So this is all that we got. Sure, we can reuse this one. Wait, but isn't that what I'm... No, I'm going from color attachment, that's right.
The fuck?
And then... yeah. Transfer. I think we need the destination we need, right? What? Don't you write to the... They have read... No, yeah, write to the destination. Wait, write to the source. Don't you write to the destination? Okay, this is a bit confusing. We will see. Ah! There's a triangle.
Hey!
Ah, that's
Wait,
crazy.
You got a triangle? Wait, I gotta look at this.
We still have the...
Yo, wait. Did you actually get a triangle? What? You did? Damn! Congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
Congratulations.
So
Yeah,
this...
it can go. It can only go down from here.
Now we should be able to, in theory, take this, take that away, go in here, put this in here, uncomment this, and in theory, this should also work. It didn't. Right. Because I also need to copy. No, they should draw on the same thing. Wait. That should be fine. They should work on the same. Unless if I need different images. No. I can still do that. Or they probably overwrite. Oh yeah, but that's why I need those things implemented correctly. Well, that sucks a little bit. Yeah,
Hey,
that
man,
comes
I
from
have a
their
Bronx
utils. Hmm.
Nice.
What I do with
got
my
a
old axe?
bunch of wood now. I don't know. I got a chest in the far right corner. I've been putting garbage in, like in the base.
Yeah, okay.
Because I don't think this wouldn't make sense. No, I can't do that.
There is a couple bronze tools that you can't make iron of, I don't think. But I don't
Go
think
from
worry about
undefined image to general. I'm in the right place for the best Vulkan stream ever. Pog, yes, you are. We get that one, then we bind the pipeline. We get the handle. Find descriptor sets. We do that. And then push constants, push them over, and then... But now I don't have I am not in the... I think I'm actually... I might have removed something that I need to do here, but now I'm just in the general, and that's not good. Let's go back to...
Damn, what the hell, bro? I chopped down 2 trees, and now the entire forest went down.
I see that, all that logs over there.
Yeah. Like, this axe is so fast, man.
They're still better. Where the
Yeah,
hell
man.
is the pickaxe? Anyways, we need to. I think we need to upgrade it one more time.
Hmm.
Ow. What do they call their
Should go run on the water for tin. I think, yeah, tin.
We need tin? Okay. Yeah, see what I can find. I'll just leave some of my wood. I should probably clean up this mess here, though.
transition? Here. Space utils. Add the corresponding declaration to vk images.h. So that's what I'm trying to find, the vk images.h. But I think they are just I'm not sure though.
Okay, but I mean, I'll look after some tin.
Okay.
Image.
I actually know where there is some, so yeah.
Wait, what do? They take in destination. Oh yeah, but they don't. They just. Right. They didn't care about. That's why it works for them. I need to care about them. Okay, then I see. But then we can still try to see if I'm doing it generally speaking in right order here. So undefined general layout, and then image transfer source. Yes, but it's this thing I'm trying to find. Here.
There's a ingredient we're still.
They actually
needing
just
for
called
the
that
pickaxe,
immediately after.
I upgraded the
What did you
workbench
say?
one more, but I think there's an ingredient we need that we gotta find before we can make the bronze pickaxe.
Well then.
Yeah. By the way, how much tin do you want, Simon?
Probably a handful.
Raw image. It goes
Okay.
to image layout undefined to general layout. Then we push constants, dispatch.
Gotta go back to that copper. We need some more copper too.
And then this.
There was another copper deposit, you know.
I think if I don't do this, we should see the same effect as always. Yeah. But if I add the triangle, we will override it. Yeah. That means that I still need a barrier so that one can't override it. Because we can see here we're going from general to image layer color optimal attachment. And I need an in-between stage there before going to general, which will be the blipping blip blip blippy blip blop. or compute or whatever you want to call it. I should probably figure out a better way to do this, but this is the best way I know of the moment. I guess I could have a shaders only stage. I don't really know what is the... Maybe GPT could actually help me with this, because this is just from one place to another, and I
Intern.
Intern? No, 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 no.
Yeah, we gotta go back to Minecraft sleep.
Yeah,
You
come back.
help me with the barrier order. I assume.
Bro, I mean, I two-shot a boar with my hands.
Between the
Damn.
white and the yellow string. But I don't know which one. You're thinking exactly. When you combine compute, graphics, transfer, present on the same image in a single command buffer, the image layout transition what synchronizes visibility ordering between those stages. Let's go deep. Pipeline in your shader right. Okay, I was thinking like, should I do that? Graphics pipeline, write shaders, read, write, same. Color attachment, optimal, read. Yes. So from layout to general source stage. What is this? Look. 1 from 2. Source destination.
Oh, I'm gonna fill these up before we go to bed.
Yep.
So compute task we don't have. Then compute barrier to graphics. Yes, but this is what we do right now. Now you're just telling me what I'm already doing. You're already very close. Here's the correct logical order using your own help. But now you're just doing the same thing that I already been doing. That doesn't make... Bro, what the fuck? That's...
Damn, comfort level 7 in this. Oh, you put table and chairs and stuff, that's why.
Yeah. Is there an issue with that?
No, we get more resting bonus for longer. The timer stays.
I didn't even know that.
14
I was
minutes.
just like, yeah, that looks good.
Yeah. You need like one piece of furniture of everything to get like a point each, and then you can get some special ones.
Much more ideal.
I see. But even you want a tin? I have some tin for you.
Yeah, put it in the machine here.
But this is already what I do. I do undefined.
Yeah,
General
okay.
to color to transfer source and transfer destination, and then I do percent. Like, I don't get it. This is already what I do. But wait. It is all.
I'll get some copper.
And then I do this. This does, sure. A little bit fancy. I'm just gonna give it the whole monster, but you know. So you're deep into Vulkan where it really works. Let's go carefully through it. Is the old and new line not dependent on each other? Exactly. The barrier permits are dependent on both the old and new line. You can't decide the source, destination, stage, and access mask only from one of the other because depends on what done before. Yeah, exactly. Your current memory handles this correctly. In principle, you've written a long chain of if-else blocks. Yeah, that's not good, but I don't know what else to do. That's good, but let's refine it a bit. A Vulkan image barrier enforces all rights in source access source. That's before. All layers tells Vulkan what kind of access might still be pending. Image that defines source access and source state. What kind of access you're about to perform next that defines access. Destination access mask and destination stage mask. So you're right to pair both all the new. While your current logic might fail, looking at your code, general layout color attachment. Within your usage, the old layout is generally actually used the compute shader right, not the transfer right. So source should have access shader right. Ah. And source stage should be stage compute shader. Ah. Not transfer, otherwise. But that's also like an issue because it's like I can never guarantee. I don't know if this was a bad idea to do this else if thing now, because now I'm just seeing it, I'm like, it's nice to not having to write the whole barrier thing all the time, but now I'm like, it's also kind of bad because I have to if I want it to be specific for graphics or compute now it's fucked because, oh man, that sucks a lot. Yeah, and I cannot just, oh man.
Into.
It's an understanding issue. I've understood this wrong. But that's why I do Vulkan, because the more I do it wrong, the more I realize that I do it wrong, and then I find better solutions. Okay, but that's okay. We'll just well, for now I think we can just fuck with ourselves a little bit more and just change these rules a little bit, because yeah, fuck. Let's see, I'm trying to find the general undefined layout general here. And then it says the source access should be shader, yes. And then the source stage should be wait, what am I doing? That not transfer? Well, it wasn't transfer, but I think I shouldn't even have these. I should always just completely just tell them explicitly. Well, I could still like do this function image barrier, but you would also have to pass in like these informations, so you could just not have to worry about these things, because these things could be always this, I think. And it could be a nice helper function, but still, I don't see that, which is, now it's kind of strange, because now I would have been pretty damn sure about it. Let's see. Yep, I'm just gonna start writing now stuff that shouldn't even be in the order that I'm trying to make them, because they will always be unique. But we got the triangle. Fuck. These ones shouldn't be like these. Nope, not at all. Maybe it's time for me to actually understand what the fuck these barriers are on about. And make them a bit more explicit. That's maybe my next step. We compute and fix. If I am, or there's no guarantee. Guarantee saying if right now if coming from a compute stage or a graphics stage. So I this. That's really smart and deep question. I'm glad you're asking. Yes, but you're exactly right. I can't know what the previous level stage was. How? Let's unpack full and Vulkan makes you specify both all new. No, that I don't need to know. The real meaning of the barrier. Each word happens before relationship between two sets of pipeline. And says so. Vulkan gives you a synchronization graph builder, not magical manager. That means you must know what the last usage was. The problem with your toggle between compute graphics, right? Frame, use compute, else use. No, that's not. But whatever. Then you imagine. You can't hardcode the barrier anymore. You must track the last known state. Correct. I mean, I guess you could do something like that. This gives you total safety flexibility. Yes, it would. Loop. Later, when you have multiple images passed, you can have full-blown resource graph like this. Render compiler can automatically infer all barriers between passes. Explicit as in programs. You create a specific or okay.
Are you fighting the bear?
Yeah, man. Is it dead almost?
No. Yeah, it is. One shot, basically.
Wow.
Oh,
it was quite annoying because this bear is actually stupid.
Asking exactly right.
And I don't know.
Key design.
Yeah.
You should bear is explicit where I need them, or do I state?
Why am I late? That doesn't make any sense. I'm the server. Oh, there's copper right here.
Yeah, this was my main mission from the beginning, but then I saw the bear and I was like, yeah, I can beat that thing.
Well, actually, no, I didn't come out here. I came here. I need blueberries.
Oh yeah.
You give small structure that remembers how was thus used. Structure layout. Then you have a helper transition image. Call it like this. For a full automate, you only specify what you're going to do, not what you're coming from. Perfect with dynamic render graph. So if you can't mismatch old new, enable advanced feature like flight etc. On slightly more upfront code, you need to maintain state structs. It's a bit harder to debug at first since barriers became abstract. To update the state when you use the image outside of the barrier, like a creation and reset. Managing multiple paths and images. When you outgrow explicit barrier, they will get messy and error prone. So blah blah. Earliest level transition input print debug.
Usrada?
But like I don't understand this one. Okay, you would have a struct image states. Okay, here. And then you would track it outside of this, and then you would pass it in. And then the state, where do they update it? There, state, the new one, and then here when you do the, so here you have the old one. But you're not always in, there you are. That wouldn't be too bad actually. Actually it would be kind of good, maybe, but it's the problem with that dynamic thing now. It's assuming that it will be a sequence of orders that I write the barriers, which it necessarily won't be. Well, I mean it's a pointer, so I could store different pointers for every sequence, but then again it's like I might do one thing in one place and then I can take the easiest example to prove what I'm trying to say. So we can begin from the top, right? We go from undefined to image layout, right? Yes, that makes sense. And then we do all of the things, and the next image barriers here we go from image layout to image color attachment. Yes, makes sense. We go from this to this. But now here, this is source optimal, then we go from this one to this one. And now these ones are not any longer like, you can no longer make the assumption that these would be the same, alright? And then here, well this one is still happened to be great, but here was one mismatch. And I guess you can see also that it happens because of this, that the mismatch happens. It's a different image. I guess you could keep track inside of the image struct, the image barrier state, what it last was and where it want to be next. And then you wouldn't have to worry about anything really. Would it be that easy?
Did you die? Or you?
Yeah, I might have died.
DC?
Nah,
Oh, you're talking to
I'm
Harold.
just-
Okay, I see how it is.
I'm at our base,
He's
bro.
back at the base.
You know, forget that I
just
exist.
saw the. Yeah, I saw them, man. Yeah. You remember that guy Lucas?
Yeah, what about him?
Yeah, I don't know, man.
I remember that
Feels
guy.
like been a long time since he was here, you know.
Yeah.
I think
He
he
probably
fell off.
went. Yeah, he fell off. Yeah. That's it. Maybe I should, talk with him.
No, don't do
Nah,
that.
I have better things to do. I
Yeah.
think. You know. Yeah, nah. I like that this is
No podcast today.
Yeah, I mean, I like this. This is the podcast, and literally, me and Damon are talking instead about the game. Oh, bro. But it's a good content also.
Game.
Yeah, it is a good game. Bear paw. What can I even do with that?
No idea. It's a brand new item for me. It's like
Oh,
one of the
right.
newest things.
Interesting. I can do loincloth of the bear. It covers all important bits, but not much else. Okay. Increases damage and regeneration, but weakness against physical damage. Health regen. Okay. It's something you can do with the bear stuff. I don't know. I just put it on a chest. Yeah, this one. Yeah,
We got this cauldron here too.
we got a cauldron.
You can you can mix strawberries with blueberries to make Queen's jam, which is really good.
Yeah, then in the other chest I put. Well, maybe there is only supposed to be
You're
cooked
absolutely like
stuff there.
Engine design now. Attaching synchronization state today.
Right,
Image
you
of
can
the
use
set from
raw
Vulkan
pork.
engine. When the same image can
You can use
appear
raw
in
pork
different
with
paths at different times.
something to make jerky.
Nice.
Tracked image. Oh fuck. No, no, no. What is it doing? Now it's being an inventor again. I don't want you to be an inventor. Let it be. Let it go.
Let it go.
Let it go.
That's right.
Okay, but this could actually work apart from there's one small issue. These are just pure Vulkan images. They are not... But then again, that's the swap chain. Now do we actually... If you're using the... We are not. Alright, well... Dude, that was worst autism ever in War Thunder, that's crazy. Struck in the... directly. Save. Makes sense to store the per swap chain image state inside this.
Damon, look at my hands.
Oh, whoa! There's a weapon?
No, it's like a gloves I crafted from the bear I killed.
No, you don't get gloves. It's got to be a weapon.
No, it's gloves. Here's... Wait, no,
Oh,
this weapon.
No, it's a
Yeah.
weapon. It's a weapon. Straight up.
What?
Go outside and attack with it. Yeah, it's a weapon. Go
Oh,
attack
hell
with
no.
it.
What the...
No?
Why is
Yeah,
why
I can
is
hear it
the
go
weapon?
shing, shing, shing. It's
Is
a
this
punch. It's a
even-
punching weapon. Yeah, I can hear it go
Okay.
shing, 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 shing.
Is that even good?
It's a new
/
thing.
25.
Oh,
Nah,
yeah,
man,
the
it's
picture.
the-
You can see the guy wearing...
Yeah, that is kinda, use stamina 6. Use stamina 8. I mean, it's like in between the stone axe and the bronze axe, I guess. There's probably something with it. I don't know, man. This kind of suck, if I'm gonna be honest. But it's just like furry roleplay or some shit.
Check out this, baby.
Wait, we have a boat? Oh, yo, we got a
Oh,
boat.
we real Vikings now.
Yeah, man, with our
We need more
furry
sterling
gloves.
cores.
Yeah, more sterling
Furry
cores.
gloves? Are you fucking? Yeah, but we should go like boat somewhere. We can. I don't know. Sleep first.
Probably to the south, I guess.
I don't know. We'll fucking boating adventures, just fun.
Yeah, we're gonna be the furry Vikings.
We can run into some sea creature and it'll sink us.
Wait, for real?
Yeah.
What?
That's crazy.
hell no.
You can't just go. You can't just. Gotta be careful when you're out in sea. All right, let's go. Wait, do I
Okay.
have snacks? Yeah, I got snacks.
The furry Vikings begin their
Alright.
adventure.
Go ahead.
How'd I do? Oh, here back.
You drive. You got to go to the paddle.
Okay.
All right.
And how does this work? How do I paddle
Just like
forwards?
click W. You click W to move forward and stuff like that. And then yeah, but like you want to paddle. You got to look at the wind and you want to like press
Oh,
S.
shit.
Oh, press S to like move, go back on your speed. So you like 1 arrow's rudder, 2's like half sail, and 3 is full sail. But you're on full sail right now, and you're not gonna move because you have no wind.
Wait, so wait, how did I set it?
You're just sitting down. I think you're just sitting down. Like, are you using
No,
it? Press
I'm
S a bunch. Press S a bunch. Okay, go back in there.
S.
Press S. Yeah, okay, and then there. Now, like you'll go in reverse if you go all the way S. Don't go all the way S. Like look at your thing. Like when you press W a bunch and S a bunch, you'll see like arrows come up and down. And
Damon is losing it.
yeah, I don't know. It's not that complicated. Just press S a couple times. You'll see like the rudder, like your symbol. It'll be it'll have like a couple arrows. And you want to go to like number 1, so you push number 1 arrow.
Okay,
No, that's 3. Go to number 1.
Yeah,
Yeah,
now
there
it's
you go.
number 1.
Now, there you go. Now you're in paddle mode, and this is how you. And then you'll see this thing that's got like a blow symbol, and if it's in the black, you got no wind, and generally you want it behind
Now it's
you.
in the white.
Okay, go.
Yeah.
Go forward.
Like this?
Well, you should be able to just paddle it, but yeah, that's fine. All right.
How do I why is it
I don't know.
spinning?
I don't know. Figure it out. Our lives are in your hands.
Okay.
You got this.
Alright, so just quickly gonna do a quick recording. Just gonna push also. Now that's some crazy speed there, wait. Sea monster goes drop sanity call by 2 script, but okay, that's crazy. Okay, so I'm just gonna do, we're gonna do a single run, and then we can see the triangle, and then we can record the window. Bam. All right, so here we got a triangle. Still some small issues with not rendering the compute shader because I'm stupid and don't understand barriers yet, and that thing which we'll fix of resizing the window, but we'll get to it. All right. Oops. I'm pressing the wrong buttons. I hope it wasn't too long. Of course, it's a triangle with the color. Yeah, it's exactly. I'm just gonna see where it go. It probably went in here. Quick GIF MP4s, and it should be, what's the day? It should be this one. Please don't. All right, resizing the. Oops. Yeah, that's good. I will upload that in the progress. All right.
Yeah.
Come on, Harold.
This ain't going
Intern
too
or
good,
not, like that's a fucking big ass rock.
man. Yeah. Don't worry about it. How do I slow down? S, right. And then is this good?
Still some
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, now
Okay.
dismount, and the boat will stop moving. Yeah, dismount, and the boat will. Yeah, there you go. The boat just stops moving.
Okay.
All right, hit some wood. Get us like a 2x2 and a bed each.
Okay, there's a barrier. Oh my god, bro, what the hell?
Let's see, we're gonna do that, and then in the swap chain.
Those are some pretty big trees.
Yeah, build it right on this rock, and it will be fine. You say there's a bear?
Yeah, there's a barrier right in front of me.
Oh, I see. He's far away. Let's just get a spawn point, and we'll be fine.
Yep.
And now we can go to the utils, and we'll change this one a little bit, basically to thing that it provided here. Maybe not.
Yeah, okay, that should be good. And then, bam. There's a little ghoul here. I'll kill him.
Ghoul. I mean, we could image state and then transition. This would actually be kind of perfect. Like, oh my god. This could work. Image, you would have an image state, right? We don't really care about not because this is just a state. Doing that slop. Yeah, no, this slop is I don't know.
Oh my god! Look at this. Oh,
I'm gonna show you. This is what I have used
So there's 1 point.
used to do.
Yeah, I need.
Where?
An image barrier.
Yeah,
right?
you claim the spawn point. I got.
And I have taken in the command buffer, the image, the format, the old layout, the new layout, and then I have done all of this setup stuff. And then I've checked like if this is the old and this is the new, then do these. If it's this, then do these. If it's this, else this, else this, else this, else this. And all of this is actually what it's just checking old and then new, and based on that it does this. The thing is that it kind of works if you have like one image or one graphics pipeline basically. But now when I'm doing both compute shaders and graphics, this doesn't work anymore because I might come out of the compute on a specific stage inside of or place time on the graphics card, and then it doesn't match with the graphics, and then one of these, like I'm currently going back and forth changing out values here, and it's like that doesn't make sense, and also this horrendous else if doesn't make sense. So what I'm trying to do now, instead of doing that, the AI slop suggested that first I was thinking I could just change this one to be explicit. I'd tell what the old one is and what the new one is. But I could also just make a structure that keep track of its old states, and then you just pass the command buffer and the new stage that you want what you want the transition to be, and then you just reassign that to itself. So I will keep track for the image. I will have also like in the swap chain, I will keep track of the state, and then I don't have to worry about these things. I could just say that this will now transition to this in this place, and then I think hypothetically this will work. And I think it's better. And then I would actually have to learn a little bit more what the fuck all of these transitions are actually used for. Like you could just use a generic one which works for everything, and then you just say that nothing works in any order, then I just push them there. But then you don't take advantage of all of the Vulkan stuff that are provided, and that's kind of dumb. So yeah, we're gonna do it like this now. And we're gonna see that these ones are actually correct. Like so, and then we'll update the state there. I think these ones are all correct. Like this is literally just from what it used to be here in this thing. And then self image, well that's a bit funny because I don't have access to the image in here, so that one has to be passed in. And same I assume for format. Yeah. Good luck with that. Thank you. I don't know. I think it's the way I should do it, but I can't say for sure. Well, actually, this kind of is like, if you think about it, I could store this with, but I don't want to keep. this should actually be stored with the thing itself, because it's this might be a stupid idea now when I think about it, but I don't want to store like a pointer to these things, because then I'll just have references across the whole thing, and that's kind of done as well. Not that if I ever destroy an image, most likely I will destroy the image state as well with it, so we will never run into an issue where that would be an issue. But then again, you have to start thinking about it. That I don't like. I don't want to think about it. I would rather just pass them in every time. It is also kind of stupid. But otherwise you could do it on the wrong thing, which is also not that good. Oh man. Let's see. Because I do have access to... Yeah, but I don't have access to that precise image here. That's why it's not gonna work. Because I need to pass in this image. And then I also need to clear it on every start. But I think it will be better. I'm like... I think it still would be better. So we acquired image, transitioned color attachment. Wait, what? Yeah, and there's a reset layout. But that has to be called in every iteration. That's also a little bit... you have to reset it all the time. I'm kind of like... Should I just pass in? I'm kind of creating just extra complexity now for no reason, really. I think I could just literally just make this and you have to pass it every time. What was the old one? What is the new one? Yeah, I think we'll do that. I think this is a great idea, but still like also a little bit. I have to reset it every time, then you have to remember to reset it, and that's also like. Well, yeah, you have to remember it because the Vulkan won't do that. It does reset it, yes, but if I told it that the last one was that, then it will never work unless if I also reset it, and that's where I don't wanna do that. No. We ain't gonna do that. Okay, it was a good attempt. Wait, where did I? Oh yeah, and then also an image. And then we'll go back to the utils. But we can still use this idea. We will not use the namespace though. Image barrier. Position I will call this image barrier transition 2. We won't use that, but and then we will have to take in. We won't do that. The new and the old layout. And basically here we can see we won't have access to self though. Self will be gone. And stage mask. So we'll also have the destination, so we'll have the source. You will have to provide all of these things. I think this just makes most sense. Because otherwise we're in this thing, and this thing is not that good. BK access flags. That's what I've been using. I'm gonna continue using it. But wait, destination, let me just quickly see. Stage flags, yes. Is there anything else I need to do? Let me check. Source, destinations, and stages. Though I've been working on Vulkan for 2 years, interested to see how others developers approach Vulkan. Yeah, I think I'm approaching 1 year. But yeah, I don't know what to tell you. You have 2 years, so I mean, I like Vulkan. I enjoy it a lot. Still a lot to learn. Still, like I feel like every time I start a Vulkan project, there's always like I feel like I forget the basics. I have to go learn those again. But I can at least talk about the Vulkan concepts in some aspect, but other Vulkan programmers understand what we're talking about. But I still feel clueless a lot of times. This is okay. I think you just learn by doing more. Well, you have 2 years of experience. I think you know that more than me. Destination access mask. Source access. So we'll change this to that. Source stage. Like so. And then we'll have the old layout. And then we'll have the image. And then the format we can... This one I still think is fine to do like this. Oh, well, that's just... Wait, what? New layout, image depth stencil. Okay, I don't do anything with format yet. Is this the only place where I use format? Maybe it was a very specific case. Okay, well then we don't need that. And then the only thing that we will do is... I don't know why I have set it to image barrier 2. And I'm not gonna use 2 unless I really need those. And then we just assign all of these things, and then... I guess I could also pass those things in there, but... I don't really have a reason to do that yet. So why would I do it? Is there anything else I need to be concerned about? I don't think so. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah. Dependency. What the fuck is this? Have I done this one before? No, that's the first time. It's just randomly there. Because it's using the version 2. That's why. Yeah, we don't do that. We use version 1. So we'll have this. That is cool. I hope you will be enjoying Vulkan more and more with experience. Yes. Every day. No, we'll see. I don't think I want to use that. I'll use it daily. destination stage, and it's actually really nice. I'm not really like that hyped on doing something really cool and AAA fancy stuff, but I'm hyped about having the full control of doing stuff, and I think with time maybe I will do something more. Like, I just like the idea of being able to do stuff from scratch. That's what I enjoy, and I like 3D games, but I'm not that keen on the graphics part, to be honest, like making it ultra realistic or anything. Oh, look at that. And yeah, I just want to make a cool game completely from scratch without, like, I don't even want to make it like super fancy. I just want to make a 3D game multiplayer thing. And yeah, I think the hardest thing is probably gonna be actually skeletal animation, unless if I find a library on it. But it will be kind of cool also to understand how that works. But we'll see about it. We'll see about it. Okay, but then we could start using this in all of the transfer, and then I'm pretty damn sure that we can actually do this in a proper way of transferring and getting both of the compute and the graphics pipeline in there. Maybe. So here we can see all of the ones that are now improper. We'll fix them. So we will have to take the image deal. The format is no longer needed. And these ones are correct, but here comes the new stuff. And they will just be, if you look at the thing, expected 8 arguments. That's so crazy. I think this is where I will actually have to learn now what the hell it means, all of these things, because there's like we have a barrier with a source access, and then destination access, and then the stages. So this is just which stage you're on the thing. Okay, well, there's not many options that you could use, so that shouldn't be too hard. Yeah. I think to begin with, we can actually just see what did I used to have here. But actually, it's better to see. Okay, so we go in here, we begin the command buffer. Then I'm just going from undefined to general, and then actually what I want to do is to do the compute shader stuff here. But I don't actually do, I just do the compute. I don't really do anything on the image yet. But then here in the copy thing, I will start doing things on the image. Wait, what? Did I remove a line? No, wait. Here. Okay, these are actually in the wrong order also. Why is this one over here? Because now... Oh, no, copy. Wait, hold on. What? What? Almost the same for me. Recently I decided to simplify my game project more and make a remake of 16-bit Sega game. Basically aiming at picture processing unit with Vulkan. Ah, okay, nice. Picture... Do you have then... But you don't do like with emulating also with strict limitation with... Is it... how many is it? 16 sprites per scan line, or what's the limit? Or do you also emulate that as well? Or do you actually or do you also go for like enhanced performance? Because, well, enhanced either way you're using Vulkan, but do you also like allow for more? Yeah. Pipeline, push constants, command dispatch. But I'm a bit unsure, like, I'm not directly. How does the compute shader know on which image it's going to perform on? Similar limitations and better performance. That's awesome. Command buffer, but okay, wait. Because this draw geometry, this one makes sense, right? This one I can see that it would work. Because you literally just do this and then you call draw. Boom. There you put the thing, but how does this one understand that it's supposed to draw on an image, the compute stuff? That I don't see. Because here we just copy over from our image that we drew on and then we put it onto the... That one also makes sense. But this one doesn't make sense. What? Hold on, am I stupid? Yeah, I'm gonna GPT this. What the fuck? Where the actually perform image. Regular performance, the command dispatch, but shader compute shaders prepares the image for compute shader to be written to. Yes, okay, bind descriptor sets. Yes, but how does it know which wrong? Okay, wait, but if you apply the same logic to here, right? We do get in the image here, draw image, image view. Huh. That's the key part. Compute shaders knows which image to draw because the descriptor set you bind. Let me explain in detail. Okay. Which resource in your code? Layout. Descriptor self. Descriptor. It's a descriptor set that contains bindings to GPU resource. One of these bindings draw image. Compute shader that occurs something like. Create weak image, drawing to wrap descriptor set. But that's just the image view that gets in. Just you are correct that we are not passing the descriptors as big. Okay, image we are passing in the not the big. Here's how it works. Use the actual GPU memory allocated for your image. Think of it as a raw texture memory image view is view into the memory. It describes how shaders should access the image. You can have multiple views of the same big image with different formats and subgrids. Okay. Okay, that kind of makes sense still, all of this. Okay, I see. And then, okay, then it makes sense because we go from undefined to general, and then we do all of these find descriptor sets, and that one knows which image we're talking about. And then we push a constants and then we do dispatch, and okay, so then let's see. Undefined. I'm just gonna take these and try to understand, like, if we go backwards a little bit. Source access, destination stage, destination access. Should I write the sources? So from where to? I think that makes most sense actually. So from source, well, I guess we can use the same source, it's that. Stage transfer bit. How am I supposed to interpret that? Wow. And then destination will be shared read. Shouldn't actually that be the shader stuff? Wait. Stage, destination stage, we give fragment shader bit. That should actually not be a frag. Or is it? No. Oops. Expected oxidacy, that one has a no. Is struct source stage source source access mask VK access flags. Wait, we don't have. You just have the access mask, but not the stages in here. Right, because the stages are passed in like that. Oh, and that's why it's better to just use the second one. I guess that makes actually sense then. Let's see if I can propagate it back. And then I will just take the sources first. And then you have the stages, yes, here. That's fine, I think. And why is it talking about some error reading? Expected. It doesn't need a triangle. That's why. Bruh. So what barriers B and Y? Yeah, I use AI quite a lot, but learn these things shortly. Getting into the heart of Vulkan 6, let's break it down careful. The key is barriers out to two main rules. Layer transition, telling Vulkan what image would be used for next. What image? What? But you don't memory dependency, telling Vulkan when previous writes are finished before the next stage uses the image. So these pipelines transfer, access shared read. Yeah, but why are you using fragment? That's I'm not sure. Problem. Source, destination, compute. Yes, that would make sense. Okay, I just used the same that I just said, but yeah. So 0 and then top of pipeline. So this is, that makes sense. And then you go from, you want to go to destination stage. Yes. Maybe we need to, well, I'm using quite modern Vulkan, I think. So maybe we don't need to worry about that. But yeah. So I'm a bit unsure, but we have the old layout on this ones I understand. But this source stage, well, I guess that is the first one. And then source access. Top of pipeline. What is this for? Destination stage. This I understand. We want to go to the compute, or we want to be done with that, and then shader right destination access. What do we need for access there? Oh, so this is which stage and what kind of access? Well, can I not just say 0 access as well then from the source? Anyways, mirror drawing geometry. So after we have done that, now we want to go from general these things and I'm just gonna actually yoink. Found 9. Why did you put 9 there? Let's see, what did it do? It added a little bit more. Goes from general now to attachment. That makes sense. Source. It's finished. Color. Let's see. Source. Now this needs to be the same, this thing. And we have the access shaded right bit. So do you just keep what it used to be? Is that the thing? And then you just say the new, so you will always keep the old ones except for when there is just a new image you're talking about. So in that sense I could half the parameters almost by keeping track of the state. And then we're gonna go to the color attachment output bit. And we want to write. Okay. Okay, then it makes sense. It's having a little bit of a stroke there, providing stuff that shouldn't be there. That's a fine. And then now these things, old layout is this one, yes. New one is now we go to transfer optimal. So we want to take this away from here, and then we have source, it should be this one, and then this one should be, well, yes, and then we have the new destination stage, which is the transfer bit stage, and we need access to read, because we're gonna transfer this away, and we're gonna transfer it away to this one. And let's see if it took the right, good. Let's see what it did. It will be undefined, that's correct, and we want to make it to transfer to a destination. We're gonna take it away. And what kind of access do we need in order to do that? We need a read access. But it says this, I'm not really sure that's correct. But that's the stage. Okay, wait. There's like... Okay. Oh, okay, now I see here. Okay. Because we're not gonna use that one. Yes, so we're gonna go from here to here, and then... Source stage, I think these ones are flipped. And I'm also unsure about this. I think we need some... I don't know, maybe, I don't know, maybe. No, these are just the beginning, so that's fine. And then here, we're gonna go to... We're gonna transfer it, and we need write to write it in. And then we're gonna go to percent. I think it will have the next one here. And then we won't need that anymore. Whoa. Let's see. Yes, it is the correct one. We're not gonna need the format. We're gonna take the old one. Yes, we're gonna go percent. Source stage. Well, now you got this flipped. This is the stage that it comes from. Source access, that is this thing. And then bottom of pipeline, we don't really need any access, and we don't need a try. I fucked up. Lol. This was supposed to be over here. No. Yes. Like so. And then this should be fine, because this is the copy, and that's what we're preparing for over here. I think that's fine. And if this works, then I'm super happy. Fuck. Ah, shit. Okay. Dependency view source access indirect command read is not support the stage mask with flags 2. Dependent memory barrier source access via indirect command read is not supported. I'm not sure when it's to do with the trying to also use the what's it called, the second version of the thing, but also I'm a bit unsure why didn't even try to work to do the drawing of the thing in correct order. So I feel like that should prevent all of those. Let's see. Oh, it's the dependency thing. Yeah, I don't know what Vulkan is complaining about. Source access. Your source access includes command read bit. Vulkan requires that any barrier using this access must have a source stage mask that includes one of draw indirect access structure build chronos. happens. Stage mask is 0. Access indirect. Called relation in Vulkan, every access mask must be compatible with the stage mask. If you pass 0 as source stage, Vulkan has no clue when. Okay. Pick the right man. It says mask includes command read. You must pick the stage. Draw indirect. So why can I not just say, in that case, here, because here we're gonna have to do the, wait, hold on. Yeah, what the fuck? No, because this, now we're talking about this thing, we are talking about the beginning of the thing. Yes, I see if she is right here. Access and stage. Area must be compatible with the source mask. Maybe this includes indirect command or some default, or if the internal layer descriptor. Stretch swap chain image. Image is no previous access, nothing to wait for. Safer than top of nothing to wait for the copy of the stage. Well, it kind of. I don't know if that's the right way either, because it's kind of like stage 2 all command bit. Well, I guess I don't like it though. Still some issues. It's the same amount of issues. Okay, I'm just gonna go with the first approach that it told me about. Or I could just go to image barrier. Could also just go back to this. Then I don't have to worry about those things, I think, maybe. But what are the alternatives to those? I have no idea. So we take in the command buffer, the source stage, destination stage. And then the barrier. Oh yeah, but now it needs to be and then we don't assign that anymore to there, and we don't assign this one anymore there. Now we'll probably have some issues here because they won't support access. What they actually did, that's weird, that should not happen. It's not supported. Yes, stage mask, flags to yes. Weak access indirect command bit. Wait, did I do one thing that I should not be doing? No, I did not do it. Shader right. This is gonna make the assumption that just removing the 2 will work. Because usually that's just something that's why it has a tooth. Otherwise it would be called something completely different. There's one more. All right. Still, what is it trying to do? Why would it? Indirect as is not supported by stage mask flags. What the hell? Vulkan spec states for any element P image memory where if its source Q family has STD Q family index member are equal, or if its source Q family index is the Q family index that has used to create a command pool allocated from, then its source access member must only contain access flags that are supported by one or more of the pipeline stages in the source as. They don't use any more of those now, I think. I think you should do this line between the access mask and the stage mask in your very Vulkan strict here every compatible with source stage mask. And every destination must be stage, otherwise you will get you showed. Wait, make sure the source only contains flags valid for source stage. Top of pile only supports 0 or no. Draw in there with supports command read. Undefined wait. The Vulkan remains comment. So it's talking about this one. Wait, general 2. No, then we're still up here. Yes. I can draw a diagram showing the pipelines, but wait, what? But I still get this. Oh, okay. It's probably from this one. Let's see, because I do use these things here. Your drawing will use dynamic rendering. The draw column indirect draw accessing internally, or at least Vulkan validation layer thinks so, because the how Vulkan sees it. We must use this color attachment that used implicit color attachment bright access. How to fix it before you compute right. Stage shader right compute. This is fine. After compute before graphics draw. Color attachment optimal. Correct before. But it says it says that everything is fine, but apparently it's not. So various must reflect actual use of images. Source good. Rewrite your draw fully with all calls correct, removing the indirect. I just it's raw. Barriers or access indirect is not supported state. If you didn't explicitly, yeah, I didn't. So you think that doesn't. It's immediate after you draw me. Okay, draw does a VK using dynamic render, Vulkan render. Okay, color attachment may implicit indirect command read. Validation barrier claims the previous usage stage is color attach output bit and accesses only color attachment right bit. Layer sees a mismatch with some writes implicit. Instead of, I don't want to do that. That's such a pipe draw. Can you do this? What are you working on? I'm trying to get two graphics pipeline working together. Or what? No, one graphics pipeline and one compute shader. One compute pipeline. Oh, I'm so tired. And I'm stuck with the image barriers layouts. Trying to understand more about them, how they work. Maybe I'm a bit too tired to actually try to continue to understand, to be honest. It's okay. Maybe it's not okay. Maybe not, but it's okay. Color attachment output. No, still it's doing those implicit calls. That's so weird. Why would it do it? I don't get it. And it says these ones I don't want to do, because if I touch these ones, they are bad. They're like the worst things that I know of. And it didn't even work. That's even more funny. Oh, thank God it didn't work though, because that I wouldn't want to touch. Because that destroys the whole point of using Vulkan if I were to use that. This is after 0. Don't stage all command bits yet, but then you're just putting yourself in the same issues. I think if I don't call this, I won't have that issue. Now I still have it. Okay, well then the problem is not there. Oh. Out. Still get. Yeah, but let's see if I just don't do this thing. Now there's no way that's gonna have that issue. What? That's because if there ever happens even when you comment out, draw your with your the swap chain image. Your code. In Vulkan things source access includes something here in direct command read that doesn't allow by the stage must you supply. You're using layout undefined as the old layout for the swap chain image. Vulkan specs if old layout undefined source queue family index source destination source access must be 0. But I do have it to be 0 on all of those. Except for... But I don't call this one. That's the funny part. Source... undefined. Bro. Well, that's better. Okay. And now we can take this one back. And now if I put the triangle on top there, it shouldn't override it. But it does. But at least we don't have... We have a little bit more horrendous thing, but I think this is still better. Still... Draw. 3 overrides the computer on the image. Now I see exactly what's happening. The computer writes into draw image, then you immediately draw image which renders using the same color attachment that completely overrides whatever the computer wrote because you set load store color. Clear the image. That's why you look. Okay, how to fix it? Load. Or I could I not also just do... Yeah, you could have separate images. But I would like to have the background. I could probably also just do the copy twice, but that would just be super stupid. I could do it. Use load option. That's what I do. If you want to render past to keep the data computer row, it tells keep the already. That is what I do. Keep value. Vulkan, the problem is just load it. How it works if the image is the correct layout and has valid content. Right now, draw image, you do this. I know. You should transition into color attachment. Okay, but you also Need to ensure that the previous segment is correct right by compute. Clear values ignored if I mean, I could do this, which is the most stupid way I could think of doing it. It's a way that it could be done. We could copy. So we do all of this, and before we do the draw geometry, we do this. And there's a small thing that we need to do before that. And that is we have to do this one more time also in front of here. Wait, hold on. Yeah, we have to do it like this. Wait, can I even do it like this? Because now I'm gonna go back and forth and that makes no fucking sense. Okay, I'm just gonna do it like this implicitly, and it's probably not gonna like it, but it does work. It's not a good way to do it, but it does work. We can also do a little bit of recording. Wait. Alright, so now I got the shader also, compute shader and the graphics pipeline working, but we also got a few validation errors because I did it in a bad way. But that's not too bad. Alright. I have 2 folders called video, which is pretty good. Alright, so now I got the shader also, compute shader and the graphics pipeline working, but we also got a few validation errors because I did it in a bad way. But that's not too bad. Pretty damn nice, pretty damn nice. Alright, time to upload that one as well. But I think that's less important for now. I think actually we have accomplished the the beauty of actually having the thing, and we're not gonna keep it here like this. I just wanted to see if it was possible, if I understood it correctly, and this could. I need to sleep on this. This would be a nice thing to actually keep track of the state when you're talking about a specific image. The image should know. Oh wait, do you draw 2 pipes in one render pass? I have 3. I do. I have one compute that I create over here, and then I create another compute over here, and then I also create the graphics pipeline where I just change these things and create it. So I do. But wait, let me see if I understand the question correctly. Do you draw 2 pipelines in one render pass? But these are. I don't know if I understand the question, to be honest. But yeah, it's more. I think it's just to see, like, trying to put up a structure here, how things should work, that I'm trying to figure out, because I want it to be reusable, the renderer for other projects, and now I'm just yeah, I probably will not do it like this, but this is fine. A lot of stuff will probably be moved away from here. They shouldn't be like this, but it's okay for now. Yeah, I also probably have memory leaks because I don't 3D shaders. I should do that. But yeah, I think that's pretty good. I still need to sleep on these image barriers. I think keeping track of the old stage, or stage and access and layout would be beneficial, because literally now I'm just writing duplicate I'm duplicating what I wrote last time every time. The only thing I don't like with that is that I would have to have a reset before I go into draw on the image that I'm about to perform on. Which, again, it's not too bad, but it's just a thing you have to remember, because if you don't do it, you will always have the percent stage ready to go when you start the next rendering, and that would be kind of stupid. Or I could just, well, wait, no, I won't do that either. I was thinking maybe I just create a new one every time, but I was like, that's also pretty stupid. I won't do that either. But I could do that. But I won't. I have to sleep on it. But anyways, for tomorrow, we are going to continue. I think we can take on the next thing. It's fine. Mesh buffer. So yeah, I think this one we're using the Vulkan memory allocator. Yep. So we will have to. I was thinking this would be easy, but yeah, now we can't use what we have used before because I haven't used this the mesh, the vertices before with the Vulkan memory allocator. So that now we'll have to read in on that a little bit, but that's okay. And yeah, we'll start on that tomorrow. And then we're getting, yeah, the resizing of the window is like kind of the thing I want to see a lot, because that's where we'll see what the fuck is actually wrong with the current thing I have. You can begin pass, then draw many pipelines and end pass, then you don't need any barriers between pipelines. I can begin a pass, then draw many pipelines and end pass. Huh. Wait, so because the only place where I have like the begin rendering here, bind pipeline, and then but is that still then like, I guess, but is it then like also just queuing up, or how does the passes work with compared to just using the barriers? I should read on that a little bit also, probably. Wait, what? Why is it now working? What? I didn't change shit, but it's not complete. I think there's that's why would it be working? Or did it? Huh. Maybe I did have this option wrong. Well, that's just more funny to share with the people that I fucked up, and then actually I didn't fuck up. Maybe I'm just too tired and I don't notice what I'm doing anymore. But it's there. It's a beautiful triangle that changes the background based on compute shaders. Bro, what the fuck? Oh my god, that's great. That's great. That's great. Yes, I mean, begin rendering, yeah. I mean, actually, wait. You can, if you want to, you can, wait, criminal, is it criminal Naborada? I don't know how to pronounce it. You can join the Discord. Wait, I don't know if I have a link there. If you want to, you don't have to if you don't wanna. Wait, let me. If you wanna share more of your insights, I have there's other also in the on the Discord who do Vulkan stuff, and mainly in C++. And there's one guy who is super cool. Wait, let me find. Where is he? I'm also deafened right now in the call, but wait, let's see. Bro, I'm telling you, I'm subscribed to him, but I can't find him. No, am I blind? Wait. Wait, I need to show you because he has a very cool project ongoing. Let's see. Here. He's making a Minecraft clone in Vulkan and using OpenXR C++, and I think he also had multiplayer already in there. So, very cool project that he's working on. Yeah. And he's also on the server and joins sometimes and talks. Yeah. Alright. Let's see. I think I will undeafen and Harold will say some final words and I'm gonna stop the stream. So thank you for watching, whopping 3 viewers.
That's kind of good.
Yeah.
So quiet.
I know I had to deafen because I had to focus. Anyways, Harold, do you have your final words you wanna say?
Yes, Valheim is a good game, and I want to thank Damon, and I want to thank Damon.
All right, bye bye everybody.